Hello, my name is Margot Thierry and I'm a PhD student at LIST. The interest of cannabis sativa has increased in scientific research because this is a multi-purpose plant providing not only fiber biomass but also bioactive phytochemicals with potential applications in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and nutraceutics. Developing cannabis sativa cell suspension will represent a major opportunity for multiple industries. In order to boost the production of valuable compounds of these versatile plants, it is essential for scientists to make the culture of plant cells more efficient, reproducible, and stable. My research here is focused on the study of the great phytochemical diversity of cannabis sativa genotypes and on harnessing it via biotechnology to support future applications. More specifically, I aim at establishing cell suspension of cannabis sativa as a platform for the production of bioactive compounds. First, I screened different genotypes of cannabis sativa to explore their ability to produce interesting molecules. By studying different genotypes, I was able to explore the variety of natural compounds they produce in order to select the most promising one and then to establish cell suspension and to optimize the bioprocess in bioreactors.